Good morning, Hogs, and welcome back to an in-person open house at Kernersville Middle School. We look forward to seeing you in a little while, but we want to make sure that you know some things that are going to be going on. Normally, we've had our schedule someplace in the school, but this year we're just going to set them outside. They're going to be these tables set up right here. This is where you'll pick up your schedule. Also, when you get another sheet, it's going to have a bingo board on the back. This is what's going to allow you to win lots of fantastic prizes that our PTA has put together. So when you get your bingo board, you're going to see a lot of different things that you're going to be doing while you're at open house. Some things on here include using one of our picture spots. They're going to be right here. All you have to do, stand behind them. You can either take your picture, have a friend take your picture, a parent take your picture, anything you want. You'll find several of them throughout the building. There are 3 up here at the front, and then there's 1 on each grade level. So once you're in the building, you will need to wear your mask. So make sure you've got one handy when you walk in the building, put it on. On the hallways, you'll find more picture spots. These are plexiglass shields that you can just pick up, hold right in front of your face, and take pictures. They're a little bit more flexible, so you can put as many people behind it as you safely can, making sure you're wearing your mask. If you need to get in touch with one of our guidance counselors during open house, they're going to be right here inside the main door. This year, our theme is unstoppable because after last year, we are unstoppable. So you're going to stop right here. You'll be able to hang out, talk with your guidance counselor about anything you need to. They'll also have little pieces of paper for you to write down while you are unstoppable, and it'll be added right here to our board. If you have questions about transportation, child nutrition, or need to pick up a PE uniform, you're going to come to the auditorium. Inside here, that is where you will find our assistant principals with transportation information. You will find the PE coaches selling PE uniforms, and child nutrition will be here in case you have questions about lunch or breakfast. For those of you who participated in the pre-ordering of the spirit wear, you're going to come to the cafeteria. It's kind of boring right now, but in a little while, our wonderful PTA will have taken over this space. They will have everything you need to pick up the spirit wear you ordered or to help you order spirit wear if you weren't able to do that already. When it's time to get your Chromebook, everything is set up in the makerspace or room 503, whichever you call it. When you come in, there are going to be 3 different tables set up. They've got a copy right here for you to fill out. Once yours is filled out, you find your grade level over here on the wall. If you have an 8th grader, walk right up to this station and tell the person waiting your name, give them your paper, and they'll get you set up. In years past, if you've been at Kernersville Middle School as maybe an 8th grader, your open house may have had all of your teachers in the same room and you would go in and do a little introduction. We're not doing that this year. We want to make sure that everybody can stay safe and not have to all go into a room at once. So when you come for open house, just go in and meet your teachers as you need to. Now remember, if you need a longer conversation with the teacher, sign up for a conference. Otherwise, we'll have long lines and nobody really wants to do that. So, welcome back, Hawks. We can't wait to see you in person in just a few hours. Hope that helps you know what to anticipate when you come back and where to find what you need. But don't forget, you're going to want to pick up this bingo board. You'll want to get 5 in a row. You hand it in as you leave, and you get entered into a drawing for some fantastic prizes. Any questions about this, just find Ms. Sanchez, Ms. Duggins, Mr. Allison, Ms. Maeve, or any other faculty members, and we would love to help you out. We miss you, and see you soon.